Hello everyone and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, April 28th, 2025, we're diving into the USDJPY currency pair. We'll be covering the latest news and analyzing the chart data to give you a comprehensive trading outlook. We'll discuss factors such as the upcoming Bank of Japan (BoJ) meeting, U.S. economic data, and recent statements by Japanese officials regarding foreign exchange volatility, and then dive into chart analysis of various timeframes for USDJPY. Looking at the news, we see a mixed bag of factors influencing USDJPY. Recent news indicates that the US dollar to Japanese yen pair has been under pressure, sliding to around 142.00 due to fading trade optimism and renewed yen strength ahead of the Bank of Japan (BoJ) meeting. The BoJ is expected to hold rates at 0.5%. CNBC notes resistance at 144.40/70 levels, 21-day moving average, 23.6% Fibonacci retracement of 2025 high to low, and 145.40. We also know that Japan stocks were higher after the close on Monday, and the Bank of Japan is expected to keep interest rates steady on Thursday and warn of heightening risks. Now, let's move to the daily chart for USDJPY. Looking at the broad trend, we can see a significant uptrend throughout much of 2024, followed by periods of consolidation and volatility in early 2025. Recently, there's been a notable drop, suggesting a potential trend reversal. Focusing on the more recent candles, from around January 2025 onward, we see the price fluctuating, but with lower lows, suggesting bearish momentum. The recent large red candles indicate strong selling pressure. We will want to see how it acts around the 142 level to confirm bearish continuation. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view. On the 1-hour chart, we can see more detailed price action. We can identify potential support and resistance levels by looking at areas where the price has bounced or stalled previously. For example, around 143.50 appears to be a recent area of resistance. Zooming into the latest price action on the 15-minute chart, we can see some short-term consolidation around 143.70 to 143.90. There isn't too much action over the past few days, so this area might not be reliable. Based on the news and chart analysis, the outlook for USDJPY is uncertain, especially in the short term. The BoJ meeting will be very important in determining the pair's direction. If the BoJ signals potential tightening or expresses concerns about yen weakness, we could see USDJPY decline further. If it is dovish, it's likely it'll go up a decent amount. Keep an eye on these key levels: 144.40, 145.40, and potentially 142.00 as key support. Also watch U.S. economic data releases, which could influence the Federal Reserve's monetary policy and impact the U.S. dollar. It's wise to remain neutral and wait for more clarity from the BoJ and economic data before making any significant trades. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts, and good luck trading.